Alright, you guys, I thought this was a bonito. I cast and reel. It's a schoolie. Well, I saw some jumping. I don't know if it's bonito or not. But my first fish here, you guys. Oh, I hope there's bonito around here. It's rough. It's like 3-foot wave. Gotta keep an eye on the wave, you guys. I'm gonna try to anchor, get the top first. Oh, you swallow my whole thing, man. Check this out, nice and healthy schoolie. About maybe close to 20 inches. Yeah. It's kind of rough. I don't want to get off down and fall into the water. It's right next to my kayak, but I stopped reeling already. It's not bonito. Didn't fight that hard. Alright, you guys, I'm trying to find my old spot. No lobster trap. I guess I have to use my own anchor. Look at this structure, man. Gonna go a little over there. Get my anchor ready. Alright, you guys, it's slow. Rough day. I have to change the high-low like this. This guy been stealing my crap. No wonder I can't catch the talk. Another trigger, you guys. Look at it, trying to bite off my hook. Didn't even go through his lip. Oh, you trying to choose my... You like to eat the crab, huh? Oh my God. It's a good size trigger. Not big as last time I fished, but that's alright. Okay. If you want to catch trigger, you gotta use the high-low. With the heavy jig head, they're gonna spit it out. I put a hole with the leg and everything. They chopped the legs off. It took a run. I got him. It hooked himself. I didn't even set the hook. One skip, one trigger, 2 dogfish, you guys. I don't know I'm gonna get to talk or not. So this guy been stealing my bait. Fishing after the storm, you guys. Not good. And the wind picking up now. This EPDL, I lost my paddle again. I forgot to put the clip on. Big wave knock it off. It's gone now. Yeah, another $40 paddle gone again. That's the second one I lost. They don't make it easy like Hobie. That clip, sometimes I pull it trying to lock it up. It's like pinching my hands, my fingers. Oh, Total finally show up, huh? I want you, big brother. All right, it's a good sign. There's a top here. Dogfish, man. Dogfish again, you guys. That's the last one. Knew it, it shouldn't come. What is this? Seabird. I knew it shouldn't come. It shouldn't come, man. I want to go to King's, but King, the wave even bigger. That's why I come here. morning I got lost on the highway, went in the wrong road or whatever, wasting around like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and I lost my paddle. Should have stayed home. Should have stayed home. Not a good day. Look at 3-foot waves, 3-4-foot wave don't come. And windy too. Shit. Another dogfish. Oh man. Another dogfish. It took a run. They feel like the talk. That's not dogfish, you guys. Oh yeah, it's my keeper. I was gonna leave, you guys. Okay, I'm staying here. I'm staying here. Wow! About time you show up. I've been, dogfish keep stealing my bait. It's only 10 o'clock, you guys, so hang around here. Oh man, good size. Look at this, you guys. It's about 18 inches. I was gonna give up. All right. More fishing. More fishing, less complaining. Whoa, over 19. Fishing after the storm, guys. Oh man. Yes! Yes, you guys! They're out to talk here. This used to be my prime spot, you guys. Another one is biting my high-low. I pull out my bag, I say I'm not gonna fish anymore. And then he took a run on a small crab, you guys. Inches. All right. Now we're talking. Oh yes. I'm staying here. I hope I'm filming that. I didn't turn it off, did I? Up. Small one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is my rig, you guys. I use my jig head as the sinker, and then I tie the small hook on top. I use squid for scub and crab for the top. Hopefully not dark fish again. It's total. That's good. Not a giant. Oh yes. Oh, that's why I can't leave. Oh man, I gotta lose track a little bit. That's why I cannot leave. Oh, it turned out to be a good day. Oh yes. Oh my God. That's why I cannot leave. I need one more to talk. This guy hooked on my tiny hook. Oh man. He's about 18, 19 too. Shit, you guys. I hope he doesn't bend the hook. Oh no. Got to scoop him real quick. Yes! On my tiny hook. I use that for scab. Look at this. Quality fish, you guys. Do I come back or what? I think I should come back. Let's get one more. Let's get one more to talk. I almost go home again. Oh, wow. You are worth filming, yes. Woohoo! My tiny hook. I play around with him. He's gonna break my hook. Look at this, you guys. Another fantastic day on the water. Whoa. It's slow, but they're here. I'm telling you guys, the water temperature is like kind of perfect. 67 degrees. This is the good fish. $19, you guys. Same thing as the other one. Woohoo! $19 inches. Every time I say I'm gonna leave, and it bites. Can you believe it? You want to keep me here or what? I kind of like this rig, you guys. Look at this. It good presentation and feel like you're chumping them, you know. I could go home, tie some more of this. Use my jig head as a sinker. Yep. And And sometimes you can use it for scup. Sometimes you use it for total. Nice. Oh wow. On the Gamakatsu. One more, I limit out to talk, you guys. Wish I can go jig around for fluke, but the wave is just too big. Drift around for fluke. So this is outgoing tire, you guys. That is gonna be my setup, you guys. I make it look like a for the sinker, but instead I use my jig head. And then I use the other hook. You put more bait, it's good presentation. I should do the same as this one too. I take the sinker out and put my jig head, yeah, and then put another bait. That's right. I got this down to the science, you guys. All right, that's gonna be my main jig now. All right. I'm not leaving now. We gotta get another one. I gotta limit out. I'm not leaving now. Alright, you guys. Thank you for like and share my video. I really appreciate you guys. Without you guys viewing it, I wouldn't make it. If you like to watch it, I keep making it. Put bait. Gotta put bait. Oh, I got another bite over here. Yes! Oh man, no, I didn't lose it. Yeah, I lost it, man. Damn, tangled with my other line. Damn. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna let my camera running. I'm not gonna save it. Got enough action. Got two keeper talk on the filming. 10:30, 10:40, man. 12 o'clock, get out of here.